Today, I am reviewing the iRobot Roomba Plus 505. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been tracking the evolution of robotic vacuums for nearly a decade, and I have owned everything from the early, loud bouncing pucks to the modern, hyper-intelligent machines. When iRobot launched the Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop with the AutoWash Dock, I knew I had to put it to the test. After using it daily for over a month in a chaotic household with heavy foot traffic, hardwood floors, carpets, and a very shed-heavy pet, I am ready to share my definitive real-world review. Let me tell you right from the start, this is not just another minor upgrade. It represents a massive leap forward for iRobot, especially in how they handle mopping and automation. The most logical place to start is with the docking station because the AutoWash Dock fundamentally changes how you interact with a robot vacuum. In the past, owning a robot mop meant you were still on the hook for a lot of manual labor. You had to constantly rip off dirty Velcro pads, wash them by hand or throw them in the laundry, and refill small water tanks every single day. The AutoWash Dock completely removes that friction. It handles up to 75 days of hands-free auto-emptying for the dry debris, which is fantastic on its own, but the real magic is the mopping maintenance. It offers up to 4 weeks of automated mopping and pad washing before you even need to look at the water tanks. It continuously refreshes the pads during the cleaning cycle, washes them thoroughly when the job is done, and uses a heated drying system to ensure the pads do not sit damp and develop a foul odor. Pulling the robot out after a week of heavy use to inspect the pads, I found them remarkably clean and bone dry, with absolutely zero mildew smell. Moving on to actual cleaning performance, the vacuuming power is incredibly robust. The company states it delivers 70 times more suction compared to the legacy Roomba 600 series, and you can absolutely feel that difference on your floors. It utilizes a multi-surface rubber brush and an edge sweeping brush that together devour everything from fine baking flour and kitchen crumbs to heavy pet hair. One major pain point with older vacuums is hair wrap around the rollers, but this rubber brush configuration manages pet hair beautifully, channeling it straight into the bin rather than letting it strangle the roller mechanism. Where the Roomba Plus 505 combo truly shocked me, however, was the mopping. Historically, hybrid robot vacuums merely dragged a damp, passive cloth across the floor, which basically just smeared fine dust around. This model utilizes advanced DualClean Mop Pads with PerfectEdge technology. The spinning pads actually extend outward by 18%, allowing the robot to hug baseboards and reach deep into corners where dirt loves to hide. To test this, I let some muddy paw prints and spilled coffee dry on my kitchen tile. When the robot encountered the mess, its SmartScrub feature kicked in, adding 2 times deeper scrubbing by moving back and forth over the stains with consistent pressure. It completely wiped out the sticky residue without leaving a single streak or puddle behind. Of course, a great vacuum and mop combo is useless if it ruins your rugs. The Roomba 505 handles multi-surface homes brilliantly because the intuitive mop pads automatically lift up and away the moment the robot senses carpet ahead. It creates a completely seamless transition from scrubbing hardwood to deep cleaning area rugs without ever transferring dirty moisture to the carpet fibers. In the app, you can fully customize this behavior. You can tell it to only vacuum, only mop, perform a standard combo clean, or my personal favorite, execute a vacuum first then mop cycle, which ensures the loose dust is completely gone before the wet pads touch the floor. Navigation and intelligence have also received a massive overhaul via the Clearview Pro LiDAR system. It maps the home with incredible speed and precision, allowing the robot to clean methodically in neat rows rather than wandering aimlessly. It works flawlessly in pitch-black rooms, just as well as it does in broad daylight, and the built-in sensors guarantee it will never take an accidental tumble down the stairs. This navigation is paired with Precision Vision AI technology, which is an absolute lifesaver for anyone with a busy home. I purposefully scattered a few common obstacles across the floor, including a smartphone charging cord, a stray sock, and a mock pet waste obstacle. The Roomba 505 detected them instantly, slowed down, and navigated tightly around them without getting tangled or creating a catastrophic mess. It even identifies wet versus dry messes ahead of time, automatically deciding to repeat cleaning passes over high-traffic areas that need extra attention.